Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this yummy Punjabi style chhole bhature. These bhatures are perfectly puffy and delicious and the chhole is super yummy. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first to make the bhature dough, in a bowl take 1 cup of maida, 2 tablespoons of suji, half teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix everything well. Now gradually add 1/4 cup of curd and mix it well. Sticky dough is formed now. Then apply 1 teaspoon of oil and throw it onto the bowl to make the dough super smooth. Continue for 5 to 7 minutes till a soft and smooth dough is formed and it is not sticking to the hands anymore. Then apply 1 teaspoon of oil all over it. Cover and rest for an hour. Now here I have taken 1 cup of chhole and soaked it overnight. Now add it to a pressure cooker. Now add around 2 cups of water. Now let's prepare a masala potli for boiling the chhole. Here I have taken a muslin cloth. You can also take cotton cloth. In that add 1 teaspoon of tea leaves, 2 green cardamoms, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 10 to 12 black peppercorns, 1 black cardamom, 3 to 4 cloves, 1 bay leaf, and now tie it properly to make a potli like so. Then add it into the pressure cooker with the chhole. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of baking soda. Now cover and cook on high flame till 1 whistle and medium flame till 2 to 3 whistles. So our chhole is perfectly boiled now. Take out the chhole and remove the potli. Reserve the chhole boiled water for later use in the gravy. Now for masala, in a blender jar take 1 big or 2 small onions, 12 to 14 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, 1 green chilli and blend it to make a paste. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai. To that add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and the prepared paste. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes till the raw smell is gone and it turns slightly brown. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 2 tablespoons of chhole masala. Mix and cook the spices for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add puree of 1 tomato. Mix well. Add salt as per taste. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 more minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder and half teaspoon of sugar. Mix everything well. Add the boiled chhole and give it a mix. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the chhole water in batches and mix well. Add as much water as you want to reach desired consistency. This seems perfect now. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. So our gravy is perfectly cooked now. Finally add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and give it a mix. Now let's prepare a tadka. For that, in a tadka pan, heat 1 tablespoon of butter or ghee. To that add 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 sleeved green chilli, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. When everything splutters, add this tadka to the chhole and give it a mix. So our delicious chhole masala is ready. Now our bhature dough is well rested. Knead it for a minute. Divide it into 3 portions. You can make 3 bhatures with this quantity of dough. Smoothen them with palms. Now apply oil on the rolling board and rolling pin. Flatten the dough ball a little, then roll it longitudinally like so. Deep fry in medium hot oil. Continuously press the top till it puffs up. See how beautifully it puffed up. Now flip and fry from the other side as well, and take out and serve hot with the yummy chole. So this chhole bhature is so perfect and tasted so amazing. The chhole is perfectly spicy and tasty, and the bhature goes perfectly well with it. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.